what's going on, guys? Today I'm going to show you how to make this game day poster. So first you're going to want to have 1920 by 1080, 300 pixels inch. And then I already have the background color selected. It'll be 664807 if you want to follow along. Then next I'm going to grab the logo. So I grab the logo and the person, and then for the logo itself, I have the opacity on 47, and then I have the stroke on 18 on the outside. That'll give the logo a nice little stroke. And then we need a texture for the background, which you can just go to Texture Labs and grab one. And then here's what it looks like with the texture, which I kind of like. It kind of gives like our big kind of gold vibe. And then next we need to do the text. So you're gonna come down here, get the text, type in game, Control A. I'm gonna change the font to that one. Get it up there. Alright, there. Hold Alt and drag, and then just double tap and I'll change it. Go to make a day, hit Control A, and that'll that will grab it all. Actually, wait, before we do that, let me grab the logo. Okay, now that I got the logo, I can get the actual right now. That'll be the actual color of the logo. Alright, there we go. Now we got the game day text. I'm gonna make this a little bigger. It's gonna even out the logos here. And then next we need to put a verses in between the logos. Make that white. And we'll actually change the font. Actually, never mind, we won't change the font. Control A, and then just drag this down. Now that we got our verses, I'm gonna transform it and then right click it and hit skew. That looks clean. Next is I'm gonna go to this day text. Double click on it, go to inner shadow, and then we're gonna click this yellow, make it a little darker, and go like that. .005, and that's it for that text. And then for the game day, you're gonna do the same thing but with a gray. So inner shadow, a little gray, 005, perfect. And then to make the text glow, we're gonna add a lighter yellow on it, just like this. Put 2 right there. Linear dodge. Turn it all the way down to about 30, and then you're going to do the same thing but with white this time. So 2 here, come here, linear dodge add, and then to 30. That's how you make the text glow. I'm going to group this, that way I know it's the text. Alright, now that we got the game day down, we're going to put the text up top. So we're going to go way smaller than that. Out there. And this is Rampy. There's that. Maybe a little bigger. There we go. So we got Rampy. Then we'll put like R6. So C play Siege. And then we'll go like 2023 or something like that. Really, whatever you want. Put this in the middle and go like that. And same thing right there. And that's how you make that. And then we're gonna add a glow to Rampy over here. So I'm gonna create a new layer, right click it, hit create clipping mask, and then I'm gonna hit him with the yellow, and I'm gonna make the brush really big, and it's on weight. It'll add a little bit of a glow to it. And then last but not least, I'm gonna grab the day in game. Oh shoot. And then I'm gonna transform it and also skew these. So also add a little bit more texture to the text. And then there you guys have a clean looking esports game day announcement. If you guys like this video, make sure you leave a like and subscribe. And then comment down below what you guys want to see next from me. Thanks for watching. See you guys.